I've never really solved one. This is a Rubik's Cube. I haven't done it yet, but I promise you I will be able to solve this, one of those days.
Just a week ago, I didn't know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. And actually, the first one, it took me about 3 days. In the span of 3 days, of course, I had to do other things. But I wanted to make this video today because I want to talk about the fact that you can actually learn something new. Whatever it is that you want to learn, something you're interested in, maybe you're not really passionate about it. I'm not passionate about Rubik's Cube. I was just interested. I needed something to distract my mind while I was, trying to get back to creating again. And so you can do it too. If you want to learn how to edit better, if you want to learn how to master Final Cut Pro, if you want to learn a little bit more about cameras, the first thing you need to do is to acknowledge, understand, accept the fact that you are not good at it. And I know it sounds obvious, but the thing is, sometimes we are so quick to say, oh, actually, I got it. Accept the fact that you are not a professional at what you're doing. Accept the fact that there are people better than you are in what you're doing. Accept the fact that you are still learning, that you are still growing, that you still need growth. And when you have that mindset, man, you always want to learn. You always want to try to get better. You always want to try to grow. So first of all, accept that you are not good at it. You're not good. You're not that good. Put it down in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. What's that skill that you're trying to master right now in the content creation process? The second thing is collect all the information you can find about that thing that you want to learn. Is it Final Cut Pro? Is it whatever it is? Get all the information you can get. I mean, the amount of information you can handle about the thing that you want to learn, first of all. But here's the thing. There's a difference between knowledge and information. Knowledge is actually a skill that you develop. You can develop knowledge by analyzing the information that you get, right? All the information that you gather, all the information about the thing that you want to learn that you gathered, analyze that, critically analyze that, logically use your mind, see which information you can process for now, which information will be for later, which information is good, which information is not that good. Now, the last thing is practice.
We're talking about practice, not a game. We're talking about practice.
Everything that you've collected, everything that you've learned, now you got to put it in practice. If you want to learn how to edit a video, now you practice. If you want to learn how to shoot better videos, how to shoot better photos, pictures and all that stuff, get out, get away, take some pictures, take some videos, edit, practice, develop a routine. I mean, practice. No one is perfect, but you get better. You get the idea. You get better. You grow. And the only way to see growth is if you continue to practice. Don't stop practicing. We're talking about practice. So that was number 3, but there is something that you need to remember. Cut the music. All right, there will be a time when you will plateau, when you will feel like you are plateauing. Nothing is changing. You don't see any growth. It seems like everything is the same. You thought that you mastered something. I mean, you collected every information, you analyzed every information, you have a learning spirit, always willing to learn spirit and all that stuff. You practice, and you thought you mastered something. But then you see the growth and you analyze the growth and you're like, I don't see any growth. It's like nothing happened. And here's the thing, guys, don't give up, because your next breakthrough always happened after the plateau. So don't give up. Just distract yourself a little bit, do something else, get away a little bit, try to stay in the mood of always moving forward. The next breakthrough will happen after that plateau, after that nothingness. Don't ever give up. I'm saying this right now, but I'm talking to myself at the same time. I'm saying this to myself. Don't give up. I hope you guys got some value from this video. If you did, press the like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Push the notification bell so that you'll never miss any content from this channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully. Peace.